got a blockage here. We're going to see if we can go. Alright, you got a problem right here. This is busted off in the riser. It's pretty bad. I don't know if I'm going to be able to turn up line here. Probably not. I think you just need to dig it up right here. It's about 3.5 feet deep. And it's busted out. So you're going to have to dig down here about 4 or 5 feet.
Okay.
Fix that pipe.
Okay.
Clean it out. There's nothing else I can do.
Yeah, you can't jet it. It's not something that's...
it's nothing I can jet,
I mean, at least we
it's broken.
we diagnosed it.
Yeah.
Yeah, you didn't have to go too far to figure that one out.
No. I was hoping I'd see it up there somewhere, you know. But actually, it's better that it's here because it probably goes right straight under the garage.
It was a test ball over here.
Yeah.
So at least it's
yeah. Legitimate issue.
Yeah.
So who's the plumber on this one?
Well, I've yet to really use them, so
hopefully they can get out here quickly for you.
Yes, I hope so.